Active sent me this dishwasher cleaner to check it out and give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. These guys make great cleaning supplies. It's concentrated stuff, things that typically when you buy a package, you get a year's supply worth of the product. This is no exception. Here you've got 1 year supply, 24 tablets. So you can use this to clean, deodorize, refresh, and protect your dishwasher with these little tablets. It look just like a cleaning solution you can use on your dishes. But in this case, you're going to want to do it on an empty machine. Instructions here show empty it out, put the wrapper away, and just put the tablet inside to the washing machine's detergent section. Run it on normal, and then let it air out. That's all you're going to do. You're just going to run it. And what you're going to get is a lot of the scale that builds up inside of dishwashers when you don't have a good water softening system going and you have hard water. That'll build up. It'll get all kind of chalky and cruddy, and this will take care of it. It'll help clean that down and have an impact. Also gets any smells out of there, because if you look at one of the main ingredients that's listed on here, sodium carbonate and sodium sulfate, both of these are going to be like a neutralizing effect to kill off organic smells and things. So they're saying to use it twice a month. It's your call. You're going to get 24 of these. If you did that twice a month, then all these are going to last you that full year's cycle. Each one comes in this little packet. That's all you got to do to run your dishwasher. Keep it nice and clean. All the instructions are here. And like I said, they make a whole ton of different cleaning supplies. They're all very effective. This is a really good company and product that they put together. So if you're trying to keep your hard water down and keep your dishwasher clean, these kind of things will definitely do the job. And I would highly recommend based on all the other products I've used from them in the past. Hope that helps. Have a great day.